Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to earn money online or how to earn money from whom actually with absolutely free method and free strategy that I will show you in this video. So you don't need to do anything actually, that will be absolutely and 100% the free topic, and also it will be a copy and paste method and strategy that I will share you in this video, and you can learn from that step by step, and then you can implement after this video, and then you can make a huge amount of money from that copy and paste method. So nobody is talking about that. I will show you this fully automatic system that you can simply implement, and you can make a huge amount of money from that. Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be Review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you a unique and surprising method actually that you can just implement and you can make a huge amount of money. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. I will show you step by step that how we can do that and how we can maximize the result from that. So the first and important thing, let's just come to the Fiverr, or you can just go to any a freelancing website like freelancer.com, guru.com, freelancer.com, Upwork, people per hour. So you can just visit to any one of these, and you can simply think about that many people on these freelancing websites are there, and they are providing different services actually there. But do you think all they are managing by themselves, or that is in a two pilot system or something like that? So I will show you something like here. You can see that if you just type in Instagram right here on the search bar, and then you will see the Instagram, for example, related gigs actually, that this guy said, I will be your Instagram social media manager actually, which is just charging something like $220, okay, actually, for managing one Instagram account actually right here. Okay, so let's go back from here. Okay, and I will also show you another example right here, that this guy is just, if you just type YouTube, you can see here that there are many people that they also providing. For example, like this guy, I will create an automatic YouTube cache how channel. Okay, so this is means how they can just promote their YouTube channel videos or something like that. Okay, and if you just see here that I will optimize the SEO for your YouTube channel and videos, so they are just using, or if you just looked at these types of guys or these types of people actually right here, if you can see here that Instagram followers, for example, this one is saying, I will be your Instagram social media manager. I will create and manage Shopify, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. I will be your social media manager for Facebook and Instagram. I will grow your Instagram organically with my team. So do you think these all guys are just doing themselves the work, or there is automatic system or something like that? So in this video I will show you the free tools that you can simply use and manage these types of tasks and create simple gig, and you can do just by copy and paste and a fully automatic system right here. So the first and important thing is that you need to just sign up for this freelancer website, and you need to create gigs similar to this. You can model this, and then you can simply, once you receive the order right here, you can simply visit to this website like phantombooster.com. Okay, so this will be the website name and address actually, that you can simply visit to this website. So what this website is doing actually, so they say the code free automation and data extraction, means all the data in they can instruct for you from any social media accounts or social media platforms right here. So it is a brilliant website that you can simply use for absolutely free, but they have the paid tools, but we are not going around that. So what we need to do, the first important thing is that you can simply just go to the top right here, and you see phantoms. So simply click on that and you will see this video, and then you can simply go to all categories right here. So once you go there, then you can simply visit this page right here, that you can simply see here on the left side all the categories right here. So there are the different social media platforms like Workflow, LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Instagram, Twitter, email, Facebook, Google, Quora, Medium, Pinterest, Reddit, even YouTube and other social media platforms are there. As an example, if you just click on the Facebook or we just click on Instagram right here, so we will see here that there are different packages for absolutely free that we can use. For example, Instagram hashtags collector. There are many people that they need trending hashtags, but they don't know how to find that. Instagram followers collector, they can you can provide a specific followers from different social media accounts or on Instagram. So by the help of these tools you can do that. And Instagram auto commenter means automatically on behalf of you, this software can just comment on other people's posts, and that way you can have more engagement into your Instagram account. Instagram auto follow means and beside of you that these tools can just follow other people and they can also follow you, so in that way you can grow your Instagram account. A tool liker is there, okay, Instagram following collector is there, Instagram multi hashtag search is there, Instagram notification extractor is there. So there are bunch of things, for example, that you can simply find for any social media accounts. Like Instagram profile scraper is there, okay, I mean that can scrape all the Instagram profiles for you and just you can have. So what you need to do, as an example, we just click on one of these, okay, so simply we can join these and we can just click on this button, use this phantom, okay, and here is the description that how you can do that and what you need to do. You can simply click on the download, retrieve for each account, get valuable list, set up it, and 3 easy steps, set it on automatic or something like that. So that is a fully generated tool system that you can simply use for absolutely free. I was just about to share with you these brilliant tools, so the rest work will be added by you. But still, if you have any question about creating gigs or providing gigs and using this platform, you can still comment me in the comment section and I can reply to that as soon as possible. uh, so I hope you like the method and you are interested with that. So and use this brilliant software for absolutely free to make a huge amount of money from that. So once your gig is popular and you have more uh, sales from that, so in that way you can just go with the pro one and you can make more money than that. Okay, so hope you like that and you are interested with that. Thanks, and till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.